Hi, this is Kevin Patterson of Kevin Patterson Green Technologies. I thank you for joining me for this video. I'm getting ready to do some laundry, but you know what? It's a lot easier for me to do laundry because I have my green technology product called laundrypure, and so you can see how it's mounted on my wall in my garage, and I've got a little Y, and those two lines coming off the bottom of my unit where the Y is goes to the hot and cold water. However, for this setup, the hot water basically is just there just to trick the valve, because some washing machines have to have something there just to let it know, have to have some water running through, whether it's hot or cold water. But this product will allow me to wash my clothes without using hot water or laundry detergent. So what I'm going to do, and forgive me guys, because basically I have my iPhone and I'm recording this YouTube video, so forgive me if the camera moves around and everything else. I'm a one-man operation. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the camera on the laundrypure while I throw my clothes. And actually, I'll show my wash machine here. So I'm throwing just clothes, and to be honest, I'm just throwing different. I'm throwing different colors in. I'm mixing whites with my colors. And you might wonder, well, why are you doing that? I mean, you're supposed to be sorting it out, colors are colors. Well, you don't have to do that with laundrypure necessarily. Yeah, there are some instances where you want to do that, but for instance, when you get all the laundry detergent out of your clothes, when you wash your clothes with laundrypure a few times, all the detergents and the inks and all of that stuff that are in the clothes from just years and years of washing your clothes with the laundry detergent are gone. Then you can basically just start throwing in any colors, and your wash machine and your laundrypure will wash everything out, regardless of what you have in there. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and get this towel off right here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start my wash machine, and I'm just going to start it, and those are my controls for the wash machine. But I'm just going to do my normal casual wash there. So I'm going to wash with normal there, and I'm going to change my temperature to cold, cold, okay? And this is going to be a 45-minute wash. And so what I'm going to do, and basically this is the place where if we're going to use a laundry detergent that I would put it. But as you can see, I don't have anything in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and, like I said, this piece of equipment right here called laundrypure will go ahead and wash. I want you guys to see what happens. So I turn on my my wash machine, which is on right now, and so basically what's happening is that the line all the way to the right, right before the Y, you have cold water coming in that line. Now, basically, my wash machine is filling up right now. You can see the clothes spinning around in there. So my wash machine is on, and basically that blue light represents the water, the ionization process, water. And you can read about this on my website at pattersongreentechnologies.com. I don't want to bore you with science. But what's happening is that this water is a hydrogen peroxide type of water. There's technology in there called ActivePure. That water is going into my wash machine, and that water has special ingredients where it's just going to lift the grease and all the detergent and all of the dirt off your clothes and your towels and that sort of thing. And so that water right now is being pumped into my machine, and it's spinning around. I've got a high efficiency Kenmore machine, so it's a really good wash machine. And so that blue light indicates that it's working as normal. And what I want to emphasize to you guys is that really there's nothing that you have to do to change anything. All you're doing is you're taking your hot water line and a cold water line off of you're actually taking your hot water line off of your off of your valve, and then you're just keeping the cold water line on. You're running the cold line water through the box, and then out the box I have the Y connection, and so then you have your hot water and cold water lines, which are hooked to your hot water and cold water lines on your washing machine. But in reality, it's just cold water going through the machine. So what's going to happen is that this is just going to undergo, and so the water came off, it's just stopped. And so what's going to happen is that it's just going to go through the normal process of washing your clothes. You don't have to change any cycles. You can wash your clothes in whatever cycle that you normally wash at home. You can wash your clothes in that cycle. And basically, once this washes, I'm going to put it in the dryer. And once you put it in the dryer, you don't need any kind of fabric softener or anything else like that, because of this Active Pure technology. It's trying to mimic nature's conditions. Your clothes are going to come out actually smelling like it's been hanging on a clothesline, because that's what this technology does. So if you have any questions about anything you see in this video, go ahead and go to my website at www.pattersongreentechnologies.com. That's www.pattersongreentechnologies.com. And you can take a tour of this laundrypure, and you can find every technical detail you want to know about it, why it works the way, and the science behind all of it. My goal in this YouTube video, once again, is education. I want to let you know that there are alternative ways that you can wash your clothes in your home, not to mention the energy cost that you're going to save on your hot water bill every month, not to mention the cost that you're going to save on your laundry detergent. You don't have to buy a laundry detergent anymore. And this machine, basically every time you run this machine, you're saving $1.58 off the total energy cost. So about 400 loads a year, the average family spends about, washes clothes about 400 times a year. So you will have paid for this machine in that time. So it's a really good product. Any questions, go ahead and go to my website at www.pattersongreentechnologies.com. And in the right-hand corner is my information. You can either fill out the contact us portion of that if you have any questions about what you see, or you can go ahead and I welcome text messages anytime or phone calls anytime. And just want to get the word out there on my laundry pure product. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and we'll talk to you soon.